Onduline is an amazingly versatile material and can be moulded to fit curved roofs. In this case, we advise that an Onduline vapor permeable underlay is used below the sheet. Please note that for the purpose of clarity, we are not using an Onduline membrane in this instance. The Onduline sheet is semi-rigid until compressed by the fixings to form a rigid roof covering. We position, mark out and fix the sheet at the eaves. The sheet can then be moulded to the roof curvature by using a board to depress and secure the sheet into position. When forming a curved roof application, the Onduline sheet must always be laid with a double corrugation side lap and 30 cm end lap. Full details on the curved roof specification can be downloaded in the accompanying fixing and design guide leaflet. To form a sidewall abutment, you can use a pre-formed flashing piece and a separate cover flashing dressed into the wall. This detail can also be formed using Onduline flashing tape, formed into 2 corrugations with a 7.5 cm upstand. Onduline is available in matching sheet colours and metal finishes. Again, use a separate cover flashing dressed into the wall to allow for differential movement.